In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in a digital editor seamlessly. Whether you are creating a stunning visual presentation or organizing components on a web page, grouping elements can streamline your workflow, allowing you to make collective adjustments effortlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to handle multiple items at once, saving time and increasing your productivity in the editing process. Let's begin by opening up your editor. This is assuming you already have your project set up and a clear idea of the elements you'd like to consolidate into a group. Once your editor is up and running, navigate to the specific page that contains the elements you want to work with. This could be anything from images, text boxes, or other design components that you've laid out, but now wish to manage together as a cohesive unit. Selecting your elements is the next crucial step. Now, there are two main methods you can use. The first method involves using the Shift key. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each individual element you'd like to include in your group one by one. This method offers precision, especially if your elements are scattered, or if you want to carefully select certain items while ignoring others. Alternatively, you might find the second method more efficient if your elements are close together. Simply click and drag your mouse to create a rectangle that encompasses all the desired elements. Once your selection box covers the elements you want, they will all be selected automatically. Either approach is straightforward, so choose whichever suits your arrangement best. With your elements selected, your attention will naturally turn to the editor's options. Look for a menu that appears. This is where you'll find the option to group elements. You're looking for an icon that typically resembles two overlapping shapes. This symbolizes grouping. Clicking on this Group Elements icon is going to enclose all your selected items within a single bounding box, unifying them into one editable group. Now that your elements are grouped, you can edit them as a single entity. This is the whole advantage of grouping. It simplifies multiple adjustments into one action. For example, if you need to move your group, just drag the bounding box to a new location on your page, and all the items will move together. If resizing is necessary, click and drag a corner handle of the bounding box. This action scales all elements proportionately, maintaining their spatial relationships without distortion. And there you have it. You've successfully grouped elements, making your editing process not only more efficient, but also more controlled. Experiment with these techniques and find what best suits your project needs. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy editing.